Welcome to all my scholars out there. Today I want to bring you a quick video to help you maintain your productivity during this time of social distancing. Today I will bring you a video to show you how to download, start, and schedule a meeting using the Zoom conferencing app. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to go into the App Store. The App Store, for those who have iPhones, you'll use the App Store to find the Zoom app. With my iPhone, I can go to the App Store, and if I search for the Zoom app, as you can see, there's the Zoom app. I've already downloaded it, so you see the open option there. But if you have not downloaded, you'll just click on the cloud, which has the download arrow, and you'll be able to download the app. Once the app has downloaded, the next step is to start a meeting. Okay, let's start Zoom. We're going to click on New Meeting. And then we don't have to hit any of those other buttons. Start a meeting. Okay, you can call using internet audio. Click on that. Okay, once we have done that, then we want to invite a user. I'm going to use myself. And see at the bottom there, the button, invite. I'm going to invite myself using a message. All right, get my phone. Click on the message that I sent myself. And once I do that, then on the screen, you'll see that I'm waiting in the waiting room, and you have to admit the individual in order for them to be in the meeting. And as you can see, okay, now I'm going to show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. So you have the options up there. Instead of clicking on new meeting, you're going to click on schedule meeting. And you see all the options here: start, duration, time, repeat, calendar, and the other options there. The only thing that you're going to be concerned with is the time of the meeting. Of course, you don't have to worry about the duration of the meeting unless you want to put that information to let everybody know how long the meeting is going to be. Once you have this information, you don't have to touch any of these options. These are just default. And once you click done, this is what you get. You'll have a new event. It'll have the date, the time of the meeting. But what is most important is at the bottom here where it says join Zoom meeting, that HTTPS and then all of those letters and numbers. What you want to do with that is you want to copy that, all of that information, and once you copy it, then you can send this information through an email, through a message, or you can send it through any of those things, through an email, through a message, and you'll be able to schedule that meeting. In the email, of course, you're going to let them know the time of the meeting, or in the text, you're going to let them know the time of the meeting, but you will be able to schedule that meeting. And that's basically all that I have to show you on how to schedule a meeting during Zoom. And when the meeting time comes, all you have to do is open up the app, click on start meeting, and there you have it. Scholars, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you can access some of the other content from Mr. New Scholar.